Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to resolve that if you are using Bandicam 2023 or the latest version of Bandicam, and then you found your audio only output on the one side, or for instance from the left only or on the right speaker only. Here how to solve the problem. What you have to do, you open your Bandicam and then you click this microphone icon. You will lead to this recording settings, and then here the volume of my voice, and then if you found your audio on one-sided only, the problem it's supposed to be, or it could be, your microphone doesn't support the stereo audio. So what you have to do, you just convert your sound into mono. So you just click this filter and then click convert to mono. That's it. You click OK and then finish. Very simple. That's the solution how to resolve the one-sided audio on Bandicam. That's it. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below, or you can just subscribe our channel. That's really helpful for us. That's fuel for our creating better content day after day. Thank you for watching. Bye.